The heart, your body's powerhouse.
Your heart is a muscular organ that keeps you alive by pumping blood throughout your entire body. This constant circulation delivers oxygen and nutrients to cells while removing waste products. Understanding how the heart manages this complex task helps us appreciate its crucial role in overall health.
Blood flow begins the right side.
Blood that has delivered oxygen and collected waste returns to the heart's right side. It enters the right atrium, then moves into the right ventricle. From there, the heart pumps this oxygen-poor blood to the lungs, where it will pick up fresh oxygen and release carbon dioxide.
Oxygen-rich blood returns the left side.
After visiting the lungs, oxygen-rich blood travels back to the heart, entering the left atrium. The left atrium contracts, sending blood into the left ventricle. This chamber is especially strong, preparing to push oxygen-filled blood out to the entire body with each beat.
The circulation highway, arteries and veins.
Once the left ventricle pumps, blood enters the aorta and travels through a network of arteries, reaching every organ and tissue. As cells use the oxygen, blood collects waste and returns through veins, heading back to the heart to start the process again. This forms a continuous, life-sustaining loop.
Heart valves, one-way traffic controllers.
Heart valves act like gates, making sure blood flows in only one direction. As each chamber contracts or relaxes, valves open and close, preventing backflow. This ensures efficient circulation, helping the heart's rhythm keep every part of your body nourished with oxygen and nutrients.